Dear students, welcome to my new online class. At first, take my felicitation and best wishes from the core of my heart. How are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also well. Before going to my class, I want to introduce myself. I am Anuj Bala, Assistant Teacher English of Adarsh High School, Gopalganj. Before going to my class, I want to show something on the board. Look at the board. Dear students, read the sentences carefully. At first sentence, Rohim. Rohim is a noun. Noun, the definition of noun, a noun is a naming word, or a noun is the name of anything. In the second sentence, go. Go is a verb. What is the definition of verb? A verb is a doing word. In the third sentence, you go. You, here you subject, go verb. And in the fourth subject, you go to school. Subject, verb, extension. Dear students, if you follow the fourth sentence carefully, you will think or you will understand that in the first sentence, Rohim is not a full sentence because it does not express complete meaning. Only Rohim. In the second sentence, go, jao, it expresses complete sense. Only one verb. In the third sentence, you go. That means go. At last, in the fourth sentence, you go to school. In the sentence, complete sense, you go to school. We can see that the sentence expresses a complete sense. So, we can say that only a verb can express a complete sense, but a noun cannot express a complete sense. For this reason, we can tell you that a verb is most important part of a sentence. A verb is called the soul of a sentence. So, dear students, today I will share my views about verb. There are two kinds of verb: finite verb and non-finite verb. Two kinds. Finite verb, the most important verb of a sentence. That means principal verb. What is the definition of finite verb? Finite verb is a verb which can express their meanings completely and independently. It's called a finite verb. But non-finite verb does not complete its meaning clearly independently. Next, finite verb I will give two examples of finite verb. Dear students, look at the board and follow two sentences. I want to do it and I wanted to do it. I want to do it. Want is a finite verb in this sentence because it expresses complete sense. I want. And second sentence, I want it to do it. Want it is a finite verb. The definition which I have given, it is written in book, but I give you another information about finite verb. Finite verb is a verb by which we can find out the tense of the sentence. What kinds of tense of the sentence is finite verb. I want to do it. Want present form. For this reason, present in this sentence, we can say present indefinite tense. And second sentence, want it. Past form. It is past indefinite tense. So, we can say the verb by which we will find out what kinds of tense is called finite verb. But non-finite verb in the sentence to do, another verb that is non-finite verb, because if we follow to do, first sentence to do help finite verb, and second sentence to do helps want it to express its meaning. To do is a non-finite verb. By to do, we cannot find out what kinds of tense two sentences. For this reason, to do is a non-finite verb. Now, I will discuss the classification of finite verb. There are two kinds of finite verb. One is principal verb. Another is auxiliary verb. Two kinds, principal and auxiliary. On the other hand, there are four kinds of non-finite verb. Four kinds. Infinitive, gerund, participle, and verbal noun. Dear students, look at the board. We will find four kinds of non-finite verb. Infinitive, that means to plus verb on. Gerund, verb on plus ing equal to noun. Participle, three participle, and verbal noun. Verbal noun, the plus verb or verb plus ing plus or. This verb plus ing called verbal noun. Next, I will discuss about various kinds of non-finite verb. You know, dear students, you know, principal or finite verb is most important verb in a sentence, but I will say another thing, that is non-finite verb is most important for a student to know, because when we write a large sentence and standard sentence, we have to gather huge knowledge on non-finite verb. For this reason, non-finite verb is most important for us. Today I will discuss about various kinds of non-finite verb. At first, I will teach you, or I will share about my ideas about non-finite verb, various kinds of non-finite verb. At first, I got infinitive, means to plus verb on. Dear students, look at the board. I try to do the work. To do is a non-finite verb, means that is called infinitive. Infinitive, to plus verb. To plus verb on. In the sentence, infinitive is used in various ways. When it is used as a noun, when it is used as a non-finite verb, that means adjective. Look at the board. To swim is good for health. In the sentence, to swim is a non-finite verb. In the sentence, to swim is the keyword of the sentence. That means noun. In the sentence, to swim is used as a noun or keyword, subject of the sentence. For this reason, to swim is a noun. Non-finite verb is used as a noun. Gerund equal to verb plus ing equal to noun. When a verb with adding ing is used, the keyword of a sentence is called gerund. That means noun. Look at the board. Swimming is a good exercise. Swimming, it is used as a keyword of the sentence. Subject, keyword. Subject is always noun. So, swimming in this sentence is a noun. It is used as a keyword. The swim plus ing equal to swimming, but it is a non-finite verb. Such as running is good for health. Running, run plus ing, running is non-finite verb, is used as a keyword of a sentence. Subject, running, swimming, the non-finite verb. Next, participle. Participle, there are three kinds of participle. One is present participle, past participle, perfect participle. Three kinds of participle. In my next class, I will discuss in detail with three participle. And four, verbal noun. Verbal noun, the structure of verbal noun, the plus verb plus ing or noun plus of. I went to see the launching of the ship. In the sentence, the launching of the ship is a verbal noun. Verb plus ing, launching, verbal noun. The arrival of the food. The arrival of the food. Arrival, আগমন, খাদ্যের আগমন, arrival. Arrival, noun form of a verb. Arrive, the noun of arrival is noun of arrive verb, arrival noun. The arrival of the food, or the arrival of mutton chop. I eagerly waited for the arrival of mutton chop. Arrival, verbal noun. Dear students, today I have discussed about various types of non-finite verb. The next class, I will share my views. I will differentiate various kinds of non-finite verb. Present participle, past participle, perfect participle, gerund and verbal noun. I will differentiate among them in my next class. So, I hope that you carefully follow my class and you will be able to learn something. Thank you very much.